Hey guys, American Amy here. I wanted to share some photos. That's a Publix right there. Some damage in Florida. I did not take these pictures. I collected these from different sites, put them together. People did lose their lives, and there's people that got a lot of damage, and there's people without power. Thank God me and mine did not get none of that. Some of my people were without power for a couple days, but as far as damage, I don't think there's none of that. Not for me and mine, but as you can see, a lot of people have damage, and I hear it's hard to get money from FEMA. I don't know, what kind of hoops you got to go through. But if you pray, please pray for these people. Hurricane after hurricane is not good. Alright, there's no audio to this video except for me talking. It don't last that long. I want to thank you for watching this. Please make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. And like I said, keep these people in your prayers. My name is American Amy. Thank you.